Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I wanted to do a quick video about your eyes. And some people like me, I can't really wear lashes because it irritates my eye. First, not that it irritates my eye, let me take that back. Everything irritates my eye if I don't take my allergy pills. But the lashes, I just have a tendency to rub my eyes and do all this and that, and it ends up making the lashes fall out most of the time. Or when I go to sleep, I lay on the side of my face, or I lay on my stomach, and you can't do that when you're wearing false lashes. And then if you get individual lashes and all that, that costs a pretty penny, so you don't want to mess those up. So I ended up looking on online for ways to get my eyes to have that dramatic look all day, where your eyes pop and they stand out. So right now I got on eyeliner and 2 different mascaras, but I had this on since 7 o'clock this morning, and you see my eyeliner is still on, and I haven't touched up my lashes. I know some people will periodically during the day touch up their makeup, and I didn't. I had red lipstick on this morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. I had my full blown mascara, my blush. But to tell you how I got my eyeliner to stay on all day, I have my secret. Okay, the first thing you want to do is I took what is this? Waterproof eyeliner, and I put it in the inside of my eye. Then I took a regular eyeliner, like one of those dollar eyeliners, the kohl eyeliners. I took one of those and I put it under in my waterline. Then I followed it and put the waterproof eyeliner on top of it. After that, to finish the dramatic eye, I took my eyelash curlers and I do it probably about 5 times. Everybody has their little way of doing it. I'll hold it down for 5 seconds, hold it down for 5 seconds, hold it down for 5 seconds, and then I'm done. And I take this mascara. It is really neat, and it gets all of your lashes. You just got to make sure you get it, and you do all this. You get all the hairs. But I usually keep my eye closed, and then I'll keep my eye closed and then brush it that way. And I like the results that I get with that. I do not put anything. I don't do this. I don't do that. I don't put any mascara on my lower lash, not during the day. If I'm going out, if I got a date or something, I would put it on the lower lash just to have that really, really good pop. So I'll do this one, then I'll follow it up with this. Then I'll follow it up with this mascara. And this one's called Falsies. It's by Maybelline. This one's by Maybelline too, and it's called Push Up Angel. I'll put the link in the description box, or whatever it's called, under the videos. I'll put the link down there. It's not a sponsored video. I don't get any money from you clicking on the link, just so you know. I'm just telling you because I like it, and this is what works for me. And let me show. This one is a little tricky. After you do that mascara, then you do this one. This one's really, really wet. So I close my eyes, and you don't want to do this one too much because it starts looking thick and cakey. You do it where it's nice and neat. I don't know if you can tell the difference between this eye and this eye, but yeah. So it makes your eyes pop. You get that dramatic, sexy look during the day. And I usually can rock this look all day, the mascara on my eyes, if I take my allergy pill. If I don't take my allergy pill, my eyes, I'm looking crazy by 8 o'clock in the morning because the pollen's out and it's horrible. But yeah, that's what I do. You can basically use any mascara, but make sure you use, let's go over the steps one more time. For the top lash, the top eyeball, you take the waterproof eyeliner and you go over it. Then for the bottom lash, you take the little dollar, whatever you have, eyeliner, you do your waterline, and then you follow it up with the waterproof eyeliner. And that's gonna hold it. Like, I had this on all day since 7 o'clock this morning. So, and ever since I've been wearing it and making my I also been growing my eyebrows out. Like, I got thick eyebrows. I just get really tired of having to pluck so much of my brow off. But since I've been doing the dramatic eye during the day, I don't wear any, what is that called? Eyeshadow. So I just been doing the thick brow. You can see how thick my eyebrows are. I think they're cute. And my dramatic eye with the lashes, with the 2 mascaras. I think you can use any mascara. If you really like how your mascara gives you length and everything, you can use any mascara. You don't have to do these 2 specific ones. It's just I like the results that I get by using 2 of them. This one separates them and this one gives them length. Sometimes I just do this one by itself and it looks really, really good and really, really neat and defined. The one when you do it together, it makes them, if you do too many coats, if you do 2 coats with this, follow after you've done this, it's gonna look it's not gonna look cute. Let's just put it that way. Don't do it, trust me. But anyway, that was I was trying to keep it about 4 minutes, but that was my video on how to get the eyeliner to stay on your eyes and get that nice dark eye look all day. So thank you. If you like the video, leave a comment below. If you have anything mean to say, go to somebody else's page or go do something. No evil comments. Thank you. Bye. And please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.